Greetings YouTube. In this video I will show you an easy way to download YouTube video thumbnails in less than 10 seconds. Let's get started. So here I am, in the middle of a thorough research for my work. When I found this video thumbnail, I immediately wanted to keep it for my very important work. A YouTube video thumbnail can be downloaded very easily. In the first step, we need to copy the link to the actual video. In the next step, we open this web page. It provides a tool to download thumbnails easily. I will provide the link in the video description. Just paste the video link you just copied here to the clipboard. Now click the blue start button to retrieve the video thumbnail. Now you can switch between the different image resolutions. For my very important work, I need the best resolution. Now click the green button to download the selected image. Open the downloaded thumbnail of the YouTube video. It looks just perfect. This was how to download YouTube thumbnails in less than 10 seconds.